Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to backup and restore the files by your device in Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, then go to the About the Phone, next scroll down and there is a backup and restore. There is a first option by your mobile device. So click on it to backup and restore on this device. And as you see, you can backup whatever you want. So I agree and backup. Got it. And as you see, all the data will be backuped right now. And after that, you can restore from your local device this old data, which is being backup right now. Yep. So that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.